Hi everyone, my name is Xin Liang from Center for Research in Computer Vision, University of Central Florida. Here I present our paper, Disentangling Identity Features via Semantic Cues for Clothes Changing Person Identification. We focus on the task of clothes changing person identification, where the goal is to recognize the same person despite different outfits. This is difficult because image features often capture distracting details like clothing, pose, and hairstyle, not just identity. On the left, we showed baseline failure cases. The model is confused by similar clothes, hairstyle, or poses. To address this, we aim to disentangle the feature space into biometric and non-biometric components. Since clip model could encode the image and text into a joint feature space, and the text description naturally separates out different aspects of appearance. So we use text to guide the model to disentangle the feature space into different subspaces. Finally, we apply gradient reversal to remove the non-biometric signal, helping the model to focus on the true identity feature, even under clothing changes. Here is the overall pipeline of our method, differ. In the top section, the image is encoded into visual feature. Here we use identity loss to train the model for the reading task. In the bottom section, during training, we use a vision language model to generate text descriptions from different perspectives: biometric, clothing, pose, and hairstyle. These captions are then encoded into separate textual features. In the other hand, we project the image feature into multiple subspaces using linear layers, W. Different contrastive losses are then used to align the visual feature and textual feature. Then for the non-biometric factors, we added a gradient reversal layers in between the non-biometric subspace and the overall visual feature space to suppress these factors from the overall representations. In short, differ use text as the guidance to disentangle and suppress the non-biometric information, improving real-ID under clothing changes. This table compares our method, differ, against state-of-the-art approaches. As you can see, differ consistently achieve the best performance across most settings, especially under the challenging clothes changing scenario, benefiting both from the robust capability of AVA 2 foundation model and our proposed NB detached module. To evaluate how well our clothing textual features capture outfit similarity, we visualize the clustering results of the clothing textual features. As you can see, samples with similar outfits are grouped closely together, even when the person's identity, body shape, or gender is different. This shows that our clothing textual label could model outfit similarity across different people, not just within the same person. This table analyzes how combining different non-biometric factors impact performance. When using a 1024-dimensional feature, adding multiple factors actually reduces accuracy. This suggests that when subspaces are too large, they may overlap and interfering with the effective disentanglement. In contrast, with a 512-dimensional feature, where subspaces are smaller, combining factors improve the performance, reaching a top 1 accuracy of 58.2%. Overall, this shows that lower dimensional subspace can lead to better separation between identity and non-biometric cues. This is all I have for this video. Thank you for listening. Please let me know if you have any questions.